Okay, I'm going to try to tell this story with a straight face. Okay, I need y'all to bear with me. All right. So when I was in the sixth grade, me and my brothers were downstairs in the basement. We had the slide door open, and so a bird just decides to come in and hang out with us. So what? We just let it in. A bird wanted to come in, so we let the bird in. Well, the bird flew in, but hell. So we just continue playing the game and we're excited, like, oh, bird, a bird. And then next thing we hear is Jesus. It's my mom now. My mom, she is a very religious person and a very skeptical conspiracy theorist. So she came downstairs screaming, calling the bird Satan. Meantime, Larry is just chilling, doing nothing, just chilling over by the fireplace. And then my mom said, that bird is gonna kill y'all. I'm like, how is it gonna kill us? How's it gonna kill us? Is it gonna peck us to death? For real, what's it gonna do? Is it gonna give us bird flu? So she says, y'all don't believe me? Call your grandma. So I did. This was around the time when everybody had the cordless phones and thought it was cool. So I called my grandmother. Hello, grandma. Hey, baby boy. Hey, grandma. What does it mean when a bird's in your house? That means death. So I hang up. Next thing you know, my mom comes downstairs with a broom, starts swinging at the bird, start trying to hit the bird, and Larry is flying, reacting all scared and everything. So finally, Larry leaves through the window, through the slide door. My mom's right behind him saying, Satan, you will not take my kids, you demon. Now imagine calling an innocent bird a bird. You don't know what its intentions are. It's just a bird. Calling it Satan. Man, it's crazy. Man, I could just tell that story without laughing. All right, well, make sure y'all like and subscribe to this page. I'm going to be sharing this video on Facebook, so my link to my YouTube page is also on my Facebook fan page. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. I appreciate y'all, man.